Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing amazing. In this video, I'll be talking about the news that Canada is finally scrapping the PCR COVID-19 test for short cross-border trips. Now, what it is, it will happen like real soon. That Canadian government has decided that all those Canadian who are returning home from international trips of 72 hours or less, they won't have to show the proof of a negative COVID-19 PCR test. As of November 30th, the Canadian citizens or permanent residents and individuals who are registered under the Indian Act, they will be exempted from this testing requirement, and it also applies to students who it also applies to children who are under 12 years and individuals with medical exemptions to the COVID-19 vaccination. So all this is, so if your kid is under 12, exempted, any of the categories that I just told you, exempted. However, the fully vaccinated Canadians who are returning from trips, which are longer than, let's say, 72 hours, they will still be required to show the proof of negative PCR test, which is polymerase chain reaction test, upon return. So if your trip is shorter duration, less than 72 hours, you do not have to show anything. If it is for more than 72 hours, of course you have to. And like more Canadians are getting vaccinated, and that's why everything is framed, because it is expected that once everyone is vaccinated, the requirement, that's why they're like easing out the requirement, because they know that people are getting vaccinated and they've seen these statistics and everything is going fine. So that's how also they are still they are, yes, relaxing these things, but they are not letting their guard down, because they know it can come back if even you become a little more lenient, and no one wants that to happen. And currently travelers, they must show a negative COVID-19 test results which is taken within 72 hours of their scheduled flight or arrival at the border, or a proof of a previous test which is taken between 14 and 180 days before their travel. So yeah, and also there are few private companies in the United States who they offer PCR test for travelers for more than $200, which border town mayors have complained about as rules around travel eased. So this is just the general info, and yeah, so that's all about it. So if this is what's being what you can see, that if your travel is shorter, less than 72 hours, you do not have to show any testing or something. If kid is under 12, no testing. If it's more than 72 hours, yes, you have to show. So yeah, that's good news. That means we're progressing. That means we're trying to be COVID free. And let's hope we stay on this right path. And it's Christmas time almost. And like I said, I will be soon showing you videos of Christmas decorations as and when you time, and as and when I go somewhere, and I'm going to capture it for you guys. So till then, take care. Bye.